When businesses want to reach wider audiences through content, native advertising is often the go-to strategy. And in that world, two names lead the conversation: Taboola and Outbrain. Both platforms are designed to help brands promote articles, videos, and products across major publisher websites, blending advertising with content discovery. But even though they sound similar, they each take a slightly different approach. Let's break down how they compare and which one might be the better fit for your content distribution strategy. Taboola is all about reach and performance. It powers those recommended for you or around the web sections you often see at the bottom of articles on big media sites. The platform works by placing your content as sponsored recommendations across a large network of publishers. It focuses heavily on user behavior and context, showing your content to people who are most likely to engage with it based on what they are already reading or watching. One of Taboola's biggest strengths is its scale. It has partnerships with some of the world's largest news outlets and media brands, which gives advertisers massive exposure. For businesses looking to drive traffic and brand awareness, that wide distribution network can be a huge advantage. The platform also provides detailed analytics and optimization tools that help you refine campaigns over time. You can test different headlines, images, and audiences to find what works best. Taboola has also been investing in predictive technology. It uses artificial intelligence to learn which types of content perform best with different audiences, automatically adjusting placements to improve click-through rates and conversions. The dashboard gives marketers a lot of control, from geographic targeting to device-specific campaigns. This makes it a strong choice for performance-driven teams that want to experiment and scale. Now let's look at Outbrain. Like Taboola, Outbrain also places sponsored content across publisher sites, but its focus leans more toward engagement and quality placements. Outbrain has built strong relationships with premium publishers, ensuring that content appears in trustworthy and editorially relevant environments. This can help advertisers reach audiences who are more likely to interact thoughtfully with content rather than just click out of curiosity. Outbrain's platform emphasizes audience discovery and storytelling. It gives advertisers tools to personalize recommendations and measure engagement beyond clicks, looking at how long people stay on a page, how far they scroll, and whether they take meaningful actions. This makes it great for brands focused on content marketing and brand storytelling rather than just driving traffic. So which is the best native advertising network for content distribution? If your goal is to maximize reach, drive high-volume traffic, and continuously optimize for conversions, Taboola is the better fit. It gives you robust data, strong automation, and one of the largest publisher networks in the world. Both Taboola and Outbrain have reshaped how brands distribute content online. Taboola turns scale and optimization into its biggest advantages. Outbrain turns trust and engagement into its strengths. The best choice depends on your marketing goals: fast reach and measurable results, or lasting engagement and brand credibility. Either way, both platforms are proven leaders in native advertising and essential tools for modern content distribution.